dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, meal preps, keto hauls, all the keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That means thumbs up. I really hope, maybe I should roll up my windows. I really hope that the cars outside aren't too loud for you guys. Let's see. Ew. 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 There's a spider right there. Today for lunch, I am having my usual Keto Chow. I thought about going to Wendy's and getting a Baconator or like a Dave's Double or something. And then I thought to myself, no, you don't really have time, because when I go there, then I'm pretty much left to eat on my way back, and I'm rushed and I don't get to relax and watch YouTube, and it's pretty much just like driving and eating, and I hate doing that. So I was like, you know what, whatever, just drink your Keto Chow and be happy. So this is made as I always make it. It has a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. It has about 4 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and 10 ounces of water. And I do a splash of the pumpkin cheesecake skinny syrup in it, and it's delicious. I like how thick it is. It's like a milkshake. It's tasty, and it really fills me up. I did overdo it yesterday on my dinner. If you've already seen yesterday's video, my salad, it was a big taco salad. Like, it was 11 net carbs, and all the carbs pretty much came from the guacamole, because I mean, your girl loves guacamole, okay? I really laid on the guacamole, and it was delicious. It was a good salad. Could I have eaten less of it? Yes. But I hadn't logged my Keto Chow for that morning. So when I'm logging it all as I'm making it, I was like, oh yeah. And then I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to log my Keto Chow. So I did go over, not by much, but I did go over on my calories, my protein, and my fats, but not by a lot. I was well under on my carbs, and I'm gonna do better today. I think we're just gonna have leftovers today. I didn't really do much of a meal prep over the weekend because I wasn't really home, and it was Labor Day weekend and there was things going on. I did meal prep breakfast burritos for the kids, so that's another thing that I need to prep for the week, because they really like those, and it's so easy and cheap, and I would much rather buy that and take the time to make that than go through all the cereal and milk that they go through every week. I'm telling you, 4 kids eating cereal, those kids would eat cereal breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I would let them. Like, they would live off of cereal. My boyfriend too, like, they all love cereal. I love cereal too, and honestly I would as well, but there's so many other things, like, so they really like the breakfast burrito, so I'm gonna keep doing that. Maybe I'll switch them up, add some chorizo in some of them, I don't know, we'll see. So the Lollis Cookie Clusters giveaway is now live. I posted the video this morning. I'm so excited about it. It's going from today, September 5th, until September 19th. I will draw a winner, and it is a $30 digital gift card. So you're able to buy whatever you want from her site, and you guys will not regret it if you do purchase anything or if you win. It's amazing. You can eat it as cereal. You can put it in with some almond milk, some macadamia nut milk. You can put it on yogurt. You can just eat it as is. There's so many things that you can do with it, and it is so good. And it's really low net carbs, like 2 net carbs, 3 I think. It's very good, very good. That all you have to do is comment in the comment section and tell me why you want to win. Of course, be subscribed and stay tuned, because I'm going to be having a lot of giveaways. I'm working with a lot of companies that I'm going to be doing giveaways for, because I just want to be able to give back to you guys. I've had such an increase in subscribers in the past couple of months. I've had a couple little stalls, but I've had a lot of new people, and I just want to thank you guys in the best way that I know how, which is giveaways. But there's a couple more coming up, and I hope you guys are going to be really excited, as excited as I am, because there's going to be some really cool brand names that you guys, I know a lot of you want to try. It's not in your area, and I'm very excited for you guys to be able to get your hands on it, and good luck to all of you. They're not just all going to be on YouTube. I am going to have some that are Instagram only ones. Of course, I will let you know. And I thought it would just be a lot easier for everybody if there was some on Instagram and some on YouTube, because not everybody on YouTube has Instagram and not everybody on Instagram does YouTube. So this way it's fair for everybody. So that's that. I'm going to drink my Keto Chow. I'm going to roll down my windows because it's getting a little bit hot in here, and I'm going to watch some YouTube and see how Aaron and Jess did on their egg fast. Bye guys. Hey guys, I went to Meijer to get a money order for work, and I'm hungry. It's 5 o'clock and they had some good deals there, so I picked up a couple of other things. I got these pepperoni paninos. They were $1.29 on sale, and I'm hungry, so these are always a go. I got a Coke Zero, and I got a small bag of the Meijer brand pork cracklins. I love cracklins. I've never had the Meijer brand, so let's see if they live up to Max. They do. It was 2 for $3. When I get home, I'll show you the rest. Dude, dinner. I made this. It's so yummy. Oh, hey there. I didn't see you there. Just kidding. Let me put my glasses. Hi, hello there. I went to Meijer. I did some shopping. Let's take it all out. 5 for $5. So I got 5. What did I get? I got white chocolate, vanilla, and caramel. Got 2 of those. 2 of the peanut butter and milk chocolate, and 1 of the chocolatey nuts and sea salt. These are so good. The peanut butter and milk chocolate are 6 carbs. The chocolatey nuts and sea salt is 6 carbs. And the white chocolate, vanilla, and caramel are 5. These are really good, you guys. They have a lot of flavor, and they're cheap. They're $1. Why not? I got this. So this is the caramel cup Slim Fast Fat Bombs. These are 7 total carbs, but they have 3 fiber and 3 erythritol, so that leaves 1 net carb for 1 cup. And that sounds pretty dang amazing, and I'm gonna try one right now in the middle of my grocery haul, because why not? That's good. I like that one. Much better than the regular peanut butter cup. That was good. I also got a Coke Zero. All right. I picked up 2 bags of these pork cracklings. These were 2 for $3. Just original. These were also 2 for $3. I'm really excited to try this chili lime, and I love hot and spicy pork rinds. My kids ate my entire bag of shredded cheese. How am I supposed to make chaffles without shredded cheese? Especially with my chaffle collab coming up. It's an open collab. If you haven't heard about it, please go to my community tab and comment on that so you can join in on the chaffle collab. So, needed more. Actually, most of this stuff was on sale. I already threw my receipt away. It was $5. This is like 8 cups. 8 cups, yeah, $5. This is also on sale. Buy one, get one for $1. These were $3.99. I usually get the chopped kit. This, I just throw away the croutons and This one is a little different because it has the lettuce, the croutons, the Caesar dressing, the Parmesan cheese, spices, and black pepper. I don't know what the spices are. Oh, the spices are dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onion, dehydrated red bell pepper, yeast extract, and oil of garlic. Okay, so that's not bad. I would just throw away the croutons. This is actually pretty good. So I paid $3.99 for one and $1 for the other. Then, because I do plan on making those breakfast burritos again, they still have this Tennessee Pride sausage. Now this is, I think it's 1 carb. Oh, it's 2 carbs, but this is for the kids. It's not for me. And it's 20% off. I only paid $2.40 for both of these again. They had Kerrygold butter on sale for 2 for $6. They only had 1 of the salted, so I just got 1 of each. Why am I like... I am making a recipe video tonight, so I needed some pre-formed sausage patties because I'm lazy. 0 carbs. These were $4.99. Everybody is always going on and on and on and on and on and on and on about G. Hughes sugar-free sauces. I finally decided to try them. So I got the honey flavored and the sweet and spicy. And these are actually, this is 2 carbs. They're both 2 carbs. So, and the serving size is 2 tablespoons. So, a carb, a tablespoon. Not bad. I got my favorite Zevia in the whole wide world, which is actually also on sale for $3.99. I got a head of lettuce. And the thing I like about Meijer, they like do prepackaged things. So I got this Colby Jack cheese sliced for $2.88 and this big thing of hard salami for $3. So that's what I got at Meijer, you guys. That's it. And I can't wait to try this. Now time to cook.